This is a topic that you should remember from your last two classes, so we're going to go kind of quickly through it. The main equation for direct variation is y equals k times x, and the main equation for inverse variation is y equals k over x, where k is called the constant of proportionality. With direct variation, I'm going to say that x and y increase or decrease together. Together being the key word. In other words, if I substitute a large value in for x, multiply by k, I will get a large value coming out. If I put a small value in, multiply by k, I will get a small value out. Now the opposite holds true for inverse variation. We say that as x increases, y decreases, and vice versa. For example, if I substitute a large number like a billion in, k divided by a billion is k billionths, which is very tiny. Large number in, tiny number out. Now if you have a tiny number going in, you get a large number coming out. So that's the inverse or opposite sort of relationship here. Now let's start reading some sentences and write in a model using k. Simple interest I on a loan varies directly as the amount A of the loan. Now, by the way, the word varies can always be changed out for equals k. So basically, I varies turns into equals k. Now this is a direct variation, so the a does not go in a denominator. We have I equals ka. Done. The amount of time t is inversely proportional to the rate of time r. So t will equal k over r. It's the word inversely that gives us this fraction. The variable n is directly proportional to the square of sigma and inversely proportional to the square of e. So n equals k directly with sigma squared, and inversely create a denominator over e squared. Now sigma, that's the lowercase s in the Greek alphabet, and when you take statistics, that'll be the variable we use to represent the standard deviation. The variable d varies jointly as u and v, and inversely as the cube root of t. So d varies, that's d equals k. Now when there's joint variation, it's assumed to be a direct variation unless we're told otherwise. So u and v will go in the numerator, and the cube root of t will go in the denominator.